Hello students, good morning everyone. Yes, welcome back to the session of English. Today we are going to discuss another poem, that is the ninth poem of your English textbook, that is The Farmer's Wife, which was written by Olga. The name itself indicating you maybe it is related to the family of farmer. See, before going to discuss about the elements under farmer's wife, let us discuss about the poet, that is Olga. Olga, that is the pen name of P. Lalita Kumari. Olga is the pen name of P. Lalita Kumari. She is a well-known Telugu writer, not a Kannada writer. She is a well-known Telugu writer, and she was born in Guntur, one of the big towns and education centers in Andhra Pradesh. See, she was from Andhra, one of the town under Andhra. Her name was P. Lalita Kumari. The Olga is the pen name of Lalita Kumari. Like our Kuvempu, Puttappa, K.V. Puttappa, his pen name was Kuvempu. Like the same way, she has a pen name, that is Olga. See, her ideas which wants to depicts in her poem is about the feministic concept she was going to highlight, and which is related to reality also. See, as we are going to discuss in this lesson, firstly, as I told you, she is related to the reality which was depicted in our life, that too harsh realities of the society, where we can all facing some of the problems also. See, let us discuss one by one here. Yes, today we, as I told you, I already discussed about Lalita Kumari. Her pen name was Olga. See, today we are facing the problem that lakhs of farmers are committing suicide. Do you think what is the reason behind that? What is the main reason behind that? See, the main thing which was facing that is only debt. The main reason was debt. That is the only reason they are committing suicide. They are not able to face the problem, so that they wanted to end their life by putting suicide. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಷಾಂತರ ರೈತರು ಇವತ್ತು ಏನನ್ನ ಸೂಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದೇರ್ what is the consequence, what are the consequence after the committing suicide of a farmer which their family faces. The only main central idea of this poem was that only. What are the consequences which led the farmer to commit suicide? First thing. Secondly, the families which suffers a lot. In another way, what would they face? What would they means farmers' families face after their committing suicide? That is the central idea of this poem, how they overcome from the life which was imposed so many problems in the farmer's wife and the children. How do they react to their death, and all this she depicted in a very neat manner, how it was very effective, and also the farmers which are facing the problems of debt and also loss of crop and also the poverty which was facing. Like this way, so many problems they were interlinked under this. Before going to discuss this, let I read the poem which was in 82, page number in 82. Look your books in your text. See, you are virtuous and you are gone, poor sinner, that I remind, before your creditors, unable to bend your head or stretch out your hand or sell your crabs, you crossed over, but I was born with a head bent, a hand stretched, not unused to being sold. Knowing all this, did you leave me? You found release with poison, poison in my bitter existence. The cotton crops is but yesterday's, but our family? How often have I drowned in it? How many times have I escaped death? Whether you abused or reviled me, kicked me when you were drunk, I thought he is but a man. Little did I dream you would deal me a death blow like this. True, the crop was gone, the debt remained, our dignity hit the dust, our hearts turned to water, but how did you imagine my back would bear the burden of 4 children? You know, you saw your crop destroyed. What of my harvest of my home? Can you leave them to the wind like worm-eaten cotton pods? It takes a moment to die, but open your mouth and ask, what of this? Why is this? Needs a firm heart to teach my children to clench a fist, not merely for a handful of rice, but in battle I must live. I must embrace life, not death. Embrace life and struggle for life. Struggle for life. See, here you refers to farmer. She is the speaker, means the widower, the farmer's wife who is now widower. She is a representative of all widowers of farmers. She is going to depict the pain and also problem which are faced by them after the death of their husband. See, you here refer to farmer. You are virtuous. Virtuous means good conducted. Virtuous means good conducted or good, having a good character. You are virtuous means in Kannada pramanika. See, you are virtuous and you are gone. Still you are virtuous and you are a man. You are virtuous, but you are gone. Why you did this? Yaake ee reeti madde? Even though you are a man, why you thought of committing suicide? What is the reason behind that? Like this way, she is going to question for herself before the dead body of her husband. Poor sinner that I am, remind. Here I refer to farmer's wife. I refer to farmer's wife. See, he is considered as a virtuous, where she is considered as a poor sinner. She, as we know that we are all living in a patriarchal society or male dominated society where man plays a significant role in society and in house, in every order of the life. In every order of the life, he is playing a main role, even though women achieves in her life a lot, but it cannot be a matter for that. She is only restricted to the four walls of the society or in the house, etc. So that she is considered herself as a poor sinner here. She is considered as a poor sinner here. He is a man. So even though he is a man, he take the decision of committing a suicide. That is why she is questioning. Even though he is a man, he must and should leave. ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಏರಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಏರಿದೆ? ವಿಮೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮೆನ್ನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ 4 ವಾಲ್ಸ್ನೇ ಕಟ್ಟಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬ ಅವನನ್ನ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಏನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಚುಯಸ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟೆಡ್, ಈವನ್ ದೋ ಈ ಕಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ he is a virtuous. But she was not able to commit any mistake at all. She is considered as a poor sinner, ಪಾಪಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಪಾಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ 4 ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೀಮಿತ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವಳು ಏನು ತಪ್ಪನ್ನ ಮಾಡದೇ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಪಾಪಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ even though I am a poor sinner, I am remind, but you are considered as a virtuous. You are gone means committed a suicide. Gone means committed a suicide. See, before your creditors means salagaru. Before your creditors, unable to bend your head, as you are born with a head high, you are not able to now bend your head before your creditors. That is the only reason you committed a suicide. See, before bend your head before your creditors, you are unable to bend your head. Why? Means you consider that you are a man. I am not able to bend my head and hand outstretched for any help from anybody. That is the only reason he committed a suicide. Or stretch out your